Hey there! Ever find yourself in a pickle because you forgot your Mobile Legends secondary password? No worries, I've got your back. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to reset it right from your iPhone. Let's dive into it together. First things first, let's get Mobile Legends up and running. Then, locate and tap on your profile icon. After that, switch over to the Account tab. Now, on the right side of your screen, keep an eye out of the secondary verification option. Give it a tap. Then, hit OK. Next up, tap on Forgot Password. After that, go ahead and tap on the Submit Secondary Password Disable Request button. And now, it's a waiting game. In about 5 days, your secondary password will automatically turn off. And voila! That's all it takes to reset your forgotten Mobile Legends secondary password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.